Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Bonkgrok token. Now the Bonkgrok token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow, January 18th, on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on the Bonkgrok token and how you can get it in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us. So check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, this token is partners with PinkSale, CoinGecko, BSC Scan, CoinMarketCap, Dextools, and DexView. So right away, that tells me they most likely had a PinkSale pre-sale that we'll be able to find here. That's going to have tons of information on this token here. Now, this token is on the Binance Smart Chain. They already have 2,538 holders. They're actually up 29.56% today. 18 decimal places on this token. And there is a max total supply of 1 billion Bonkgrok tokens. Now, it's just announced that this token will be getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow, January 18th at 14 hours UTC time. The Bonkgrok token will be listed on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Bonkgrok, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So their Telegram is at Bonkgrok_BSC. And they have 3,136 Telegram members so far. They're doing very well. Their Twitter I'm going to put up right here on the screen at Bonkgrok_BSC. Has a link to their Telegram on the Twitter there. A link to their webpage, Bonkgrok.com. They just joined in October 2023, brand new project, over 3,000 Twitter followers, over 200 tweets, blue verified check mark. And this token did have a PinkSale pre-sale. I just found it in the Launchpad list. So if you go over there, there's some info about this token as well as their links and everything like that. So they did have a whitelist only pre-sale that sold out. It was 150 BNB hard cap and they completely sold out. So Bonkgrok is a BEP20 token created by people who saw the potential between Bonk and Grok to become billionaires by investing in them. Now they will witness new synergies and bring wealth by offering Bonkgrok to real investors. Seifu project supported by Feng, Incubator Johnson, Incubator GF Capital, and liquidity locked by PinkSale, no team tokens, low taxes of only 3%, many global KOLs, influencer support, full marketing campaign before launch, and pump 1,000 times new trend, potentially. Of course, 18 decimal places on this token. There is a total supply of 1 billion tokens. So 300 investors contributed to the whitelist only PinkSale pre-sale. So it was a very successful pre-sale. Now, if you want to get this token prior to the Mexc Global listing, you can get it on Pancakeswap by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain, going into the dApps, finding Pancakeswap, and then trading your BSC for the Bonkgrok token using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, bonkgrok.com. Now, you're probably going to have to set your slippage around 3% for buys, sells, and maybe transfers because of the tax there. And liquidity will be locked on Pancakeswap for 6 months. Now, according to their token metrics allocation pie chart here, it says 80.01% of the tokens get burnt, 13.14% of the tokens go to pre-sale, 6.57% go to liquidity, and only 0.26% of the tokens are unlocked. Now, on their webpage, they have a roadmap. So it says here, starting with phase 1, establish marketing presence, build core community, initial liquidity creation, operational excellence. Phase 2, broaden market footprint, enhance community interactions, deepen liquidity pools, forge key partnerships. Phase 3, sharpen market strategies, integrate community insights, advanced operational efficiencies, marketing. Phase 4 is going to be deploy innovative features, extend global reach, propel technological development, and lead market transformation. So the tax here doesn't even actually tell you what the tax is for, which is kind of a bummer. But there is, a little bit of meme information on here. This token doesn't have much utility as of the moment, but in the future they will be coming out with staking, yield farming, and looks like possibly their own swap. So there will be some utility potentially coming out in the future. Now, they do have the contract address right on their page, their Telegram, their Twitter, all that type of stuff there. So if you go to the Twitter there and you check out the Twitter announcement here on Mexc's Mexc Global's Twitter at Mexc_official, they have a basically it is a Kickstarter event that you could win 40,000 USDT reward pool for airdrops if you vote with your MX token. So go check that out. But I'm not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. So leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about Bonkgrok? But make sure you check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that Mexc Global one. And if you want to help support the channel, you can check out the Patreon link in the description box, or hit the join button, always helps, and follow that Facebook as well in the description box down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.